Good evening, Bahamas. I'm Altaviz Munnings. Welcome to the Bahamas Tonight, the National Report. Thanks so much for making us a part of your Friday. Minister of Health, the Honorable Dr. Dwayne Sands, refuting international reports that recent passengers on Royal Caribbean International's Anthem of the Seas were allegedly suffering from symptoms of the coronavirus after a stop right here in the Bahamas. Minister Sands maintains that the Anthem of the Seas has not been in the Bahamas since January 2nd, and he also noted that persons on board that cruise vessel were suffering from influenza A, better known as the common flu. The Ministry of Health is confirming, though, that 15 individuals have been quarantined for the novel coronavirus, and the individuals monitored currently have not experienced symptoms of the virus. Minister Sands shared more details in an interview with our news team earlier this afternoon.
This ship has been nowhere near the Bahamas over the last 14 days or the last 20 days. I encourage people to validate or to verify any story before circulating it, because it has the potential of bringing the reputation of the Commonwealth of the Bahamas into disrepute. All of us ought to verify stories before we share them.
Well, Minister Sands confirmed that health officials had to inform international agencies that contacted them since the report was released that these reports are indeed false.
I remind people that we are in the middle of flu season, and notwithstanding the concerns about coronavirus, a far greater threat is influenza. It is expected that millions of people will be infected with influenza A this season, and as many as 500,000 people will die around the world from influenza. Not everybody that coughs or has a fever or a runny nose should be thought to have coronavirus.
Well, officials of Royal Caribbean International are also responding to those international reports today, noting that the company understands officials of the Centers for Disease Control intend to test samples from 4 guests of the Anthem of the Seas for the coronavirus. The RCL statement went on to say that none of the 4 guests showed any clinical signs or symptoms of coronavirus while they were on board the ship, and 1 guest had tested positive for influenza A. RCL officials say records indicate the guests had not been in China since January 26th, and all other guests have been permitted to disembark the cruise vessel. Authorities have cleared RCL to depart on its next cruise. However, company officials want to reassure concerned guests that the departure will be delayed until they receive conclusive test results from the U.S. Centers for Disease Control.